Alright. Alright, let me make sure this shit is working. Valid. Let me make sure this shit is valid. Hold on. This is a lot. There's a lot going on. There's a lot going on right now. Upload. Okay, how do I do this? I don't know which one is vertical. I don't know which one's horizontal. I'm just trying to do both. Have one vertical if you're on your iPhone, and one horizontal if you're on your desktop. But let me try to do this though. Let me just delete this because we don't need that. Let's delete this because we don't need that. Oh, this is the horizontal. Okay. Okay. Alright, now I gotta update this. Alright, what time is it? Alright, 6:57. A majority of this is just waiting. I'm trying to set this shit up right now, though. I don't remember what is what, because they look the fucking same. They look the fucking insane. Oh, this shit blurry though. This shit low key blurry. I'm gonna have to update this little camera. Alright. How do I change this? Alright. It's time to make some money. It's Sunday. It's opening day. 6 p.m. I trade gold 6 p.m. Or not usually 6 p.m., but like 7 p.m., 8 p.m. ish. I pretty much just trade EMA crosses. Have you ever seen the vids I drop? That's all it is. It's very simple. So I was like, fuck it. Let me throw on the stream. Let me do this live. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this every day, but I just want to try it out. See if it makes me actually more disciplined, because I know people are actually watching. So let me just change this. Feel me? And I don't even know how many people are watching this shit, to be honest. This is like a lot that I'm trying to figure out right now. But we good. Okay. I think we are good for now. How do I go back to the other screen I was just on? Alright, there we go. Alright, close this. Get this shit off my screen later. Back now. Back. Get. Alright, so a majority of this is literally waiting. Bro, a lot of times I'm just listening to music. I got the UConn game in the back. It looks like they coming back low key. 5 minutes left. And I'm just waiting for this cross. That's really my strategy. I wait for the cross. If it makes sense, if it's at a support or if it's at a resistance, I take a trade. If it's not, then I don't take a trade. And then I'm not really staring at the screen like I'm staring at it now when I'm waiting. I set alerts on my phone on Webull and do that. But I guess this is what the streamers do, so I gotta do it like this. So this is how I'm doing it. This is how I'm doing it. What is this, bro? This YouTube shit is mad confusing right now. I just want to see. It's crazy that people stream every day. Like, I'm trying to keep people entertained. I don't know how. I'm just talking through my thought process, bro. This is like a visual or a video journal of just like, okay, this is what I'm gonna do when I enter the trade. It looks like we're about to enter, or it looks like the support here until this little line, but we broke through that. So I'm thinking longs. I'm thinking longs once we do have this little EMA cross. You see how the cross is here. I usually wait for a candle closure after the cross, and then I take my trade. I usually take like a $10 move on gold, or 10 pip, whatever you fucking call it. I call it just a $10 move. And I'm trading this across 7 accounts right now. So I have these 5 here, and then I have 2 evaluations for Lucid. There's 25k. It was like $50 or something like that. So I'm using Tradecopia, which is like a copy trader that I just got put onto. So we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't fuck me up, because I've never used it before. There's a lot of firsts for me, a lot of first time streaming, first time using a trade copier. I think I need a better camera because it looks kind of blurry, but it is what it is. Using my little Logitech that I got from my job when I used to work remote. But we don't do that shit no more. I have the luxury to make money from doing this, and I take base hits, bro. Look at this. Like, my stats are not crazy. Last week was trash for me. It was a minus 200, 270 across 5 accounts. Not my best week, but like, it's small. Everything's small. I trade small. I take 2,800 roughly every like 10 days or so, bro. Like, this month I've taken 7k doing this, having $300 weeks, $700 weeks. I mean, we took a $200 70 minus 270 here, but across 5 accounts, do the math. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, like, this is nothing crazy, but it's paying the bills. Like, I'm not no millionaire, bro, but it's paying the bills right now. From the crib, bro. Literally, my bed is right here. From the crib. Which is crazy to me. All right. How do people like have like okay. Oh, they coming back. Shit. All right, bro. We're still waiting. We're still waiting for a little setup here. I feel like an old man when it comes to this. Like, I'm trying to figure out this YouTube shit right now. I feel like I don't know what's going on. So this is the first of many, so relax. First stream of many. So I'm trying to figure out the vibe. I'm trying to figure out how I'm trying to do this. So don't stress. What up, what up? My first person who wrote in the chat, as they call it. Sam EE. EE. I got this shit open on my phone because I don't even know how to fucking figure it out on here. Because I'm an old man. Oh, this is not vertical. This is not the vertical one. What up, Sam EE? This is the trading life, bro. Just waiting. This is the life. This is the life I signed up for. Yo, this shit blurry as fuck. We're just waiting, brother. We are just waiting, brother, man. Oh, let me slide this over a little bit. See. Why does this shit get so fucking blurry? This shit gets annoying. Yo, is it blurry right now? Whoever is peeping this, let me know if it's blurry. Cause I'm trying to look at it on my phone. It shit look blurry as fuck. Let me know if it's blurry. Yeah, I'm gonna update this little selfie or the little webcam. Cause it does look blurry on my screen. But we gonna be alright. This is the first stream of many. I'm gonna show you how to trade. I'm gonna show you how to make money. I'm going to show you how to become wealthy. I'm going to show you how to do these things. Because it's what I do. It's who I am. It's what I do. I do need a better webcam though, because this shit looks blurry as fuck, and it's getting me tight. Cause I don't know how to make it better. Yo, if you're viewing this right now, if you're on the vertical, let me know if it's blurry. Let me know if the cam is blurry. I got this shit open up right here on my phone, so I can see it. I can see the chat. This sounds crazy saying chat. Maybe I gotta do something in Streamlabs, so this shit don't fucking continue to go like that. Oh, maybe that's why. Streamlabs. All right. There's gotta be a way I can make this clear. There's gotta be a way. Disable autofocus. Disable autofocus. Disable. Bro, why does it look like that? What the fuck happened, brother? Yo, this shit is getting me tight now. This shit is getting me tight. Oh, there we go. I can't with this blurriness, bro. I need like a tech person to come and help a brother out. Oh, it's just the waiting game, bro. It's just the fucking waiting game. It's just the waiting game, brother. Alright, I'm still looking for this setup right here. I'm still looking for this. It's still early though, it's only 7:15. Again, this is across 7 accounts. Again. So So. Yo, does this happen to y'all that use Top Step? Does it always disconnect? Like randomly? My shit always disconnects. Always, bro. Hold on, the end of this UConn game real quick, though. This shit kind of getting spicy. This shit kind of getting spicy, Mo. Hold on, there's like 2 minutes, there's like 30 seconds in this UConn game. And we're waiting anyway. We're waiting anyway for our setup. Hit a little tie the game real quick. This shit got me low-key nervous. I'm not even hooping. I'm just watching. I'll be right back in like 10 seconds. I just want to see what goes down real quick. Little foul on the play. Little foul on the play. Is this just my shit that's blurry? Or is it everyone's shit? Okay, it's not just my shit. It looks clear now. Make your free throws, motherfucker! Make your free throws! Alright, we're still waiting for our setup here. Which is this? I'm waiting for a closure. So you see these two EMAs right here. I'm waiting for those to cross. And then from there, I'm waiting for a green candle to close above. And then I'm taking it along. And then I will be taken along. Bro. This is the first stream of many. So I apologize if this shit isn't. Oh my god! No way! Big UConn, you heard? Nah! That's crazy! That's crazy, bro. This UConn game is crazy right now. Hold up. Who the fuck FaceTiming me? Yo, stop playing, bro. Stop playing. Stop playing, yo. They talking. Bro, I turned around. Yo, that shit is crazy, bro. I'm talking hella shit in my other group chat. I'm talking about us like. That is insane. What the fuck just went down? This is like one of the craziest games, bro. Mullins like that? Mullins is like that? Yo, what the fuck, bro? Wait, hold on. I gotta call someone. Real quick. That's crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy, son. That is fucking wild. Yo, that's fucking wild, bro. For those of y'all that was tapped into the UConn game, the UConn Duke game, I don't know if y'all was tapped in. I don't know if y'all was tapped into this UConn Duke game, but that shit is crazy. That is the craziest way to end a fucking game, bro. I don't know if y'all was tapped in or not. My son just chucked it up. Got the steal, chucked it up. Bang. 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 All right, we're still waiting here, though. I'm still waiting for a setup. Is it because I'm connected to the Wi-Fi? Is it because I'm connected to the Wi-Fi? Yo, that UConn game, if y'all was tapped in, I might be talking to myself right now, but if y'all was tapped in to the 3 viewers or however many viewers, that was crazy. That was insane. That was wicked. That was wicked. Excuse me. That was wicked. I'm gonna take a piss real quick. I'm gonna be right back. That was crazy, bro. Fucking UConn game was crazy. That was wicked, bro. That was wicked. I can't believe that shot. All right. So we are still waiting for our setup, which is not happening yet. But maybe it will happen soon. Maybe. Alright. I'm gonna stay on to like for a little bit. I know I'm probably only talking to like 2 people, but that don't matter. This is my virtual journal. This is my vlogging journal where I talk out my thought process. All right. I think we're going to continue to push down. I'm not going to take a trade. I'm not going to take a trade until I get my EMA cross. Until this crosses this, until the green line crosses the orange line, I'm not trading. That's just how I trade. I wait for EMA cross. And the move has already happened. The move has happened already. So now we wait. We sit back, we kick back, make a little chicken parm. Might order a little chicken parm. Might order a little steak vibe. Might order, I don't know, maybe a little pizza vibe, carb up Sunday. I usually carb up. But we're just pushing down. Right now we're pushing down. The wave has already been waving. I'm freezing right now in my basement. See, we got a little push. We're just waiting. We are just waiting for our setup. What does that mean? Oh shit, what does that mean? I don't know what that means. Hello, my peoples. All 2 people, or however many people won. This is the first of many. This is the first of many. You're gonna see the journey. You're gonna see me make this money. You're gonna see the losses. You're gonna see everything. That's why I decided to live stream, just so everything is just transparent. But nothing is really happening right now. So we just kind of wait. Kind of vibe out. You know? We just kind of vibe out. All right. All right, so we kind of broke this support. Not kind of, we definitely broke this support. And it's just pushing to the downside at this very moment. So if it was old Z, if it was unprofitable Zaire, I would have taken an impulse trade. In this case, I might have gotten lucky. I might have made some money. I might have gotten lucky. But that's not how you're going to become consistent. That's not how you're going to grow. That is not how you're going to grow. With gambles, with Hail Marys. It just doesn't work like that. It just doesn't work like that. The fuck is my password? My shit looking crispy now though. Hold on. I could update the webcam a little bit though. If you're in the chat, let me know if my shit looks crispy or if it could be crispier. If the quality of the video. Let your boy know. Bro, I can definitely see why people have fun doing this stream and shit, bro. Like, 100%. Like, once I actually like get a crowd or community. But again, this is more so just to document my journey more than anything, and just show in real time what I'm doing, as opposed to just recording everything. I want to do it live. What is my password? Passwords. Journey. What is my password? Oh, okay, that's my password. Okay. Bro, my toes are freaking freezing. Yo, motherfuckers hacking my account, bro. What's going on? Wagwan. All right. I still haven't taken a trade yet. If you see me looking down, that's like I'm trying to figure out like this YouTube streaming stuff. I'm not texting or anything. I'm just trying to figure out like what I'm doing. But I do need a better camera. I do need a better camera. 4K webcam, no cap. Hold on. My toes are fucking frozen. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna do this for an hour. I'm gonna wait like 20 more minutes, 25 more minutes, and then probably end this. It's the first of many. The first of many. It is the first of many. We're only gonna get better. We're only going to. I'm gonna show you everything. Everything. The wins, the losses, the heartaches. I'm gonna try to do everything. All my trades while live. Sometimes it's gonna be hard if I'm like in a different like state or if I'm not home. But it's not an excuse, you know. Look at that. Look at that. From here. Boom. Boom. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I need to figure out what I'm about to fucking eat. I'm not gonna lie. Life is good, bro. Like having the ability to trade, having the ability to make money from the crib, being able to wake up wherever you're at in life or wherever you're at location wise, as long as you have your laptop, as long as you have internet connection, as long as you have a phone, it's a blessing because a lot of people don't get to do those things, right? A lot of people don't get these opportunities. I mean, they have the opportunity, but they don't. If you don't know how to trade, then it doesn't matter. And I've been in this field for a minute, but this is I just recently got introduced to this prop firm world back in like October, and I've been trying to milk these accounts, and like as of 2026, it's been working pretty well for me. Added 2 more accounts, 2 more evals, Trade-of-8 accounts. So I'm gonna try to continue to milk these, continue to enjoy life, bro, because it buys. I don't care. Like the money's cool, It's the freedom, bro. It's the freedom to go wherever I want. Like, nah, let me end this shit. Sad. Like last week, I was in Nashville. The week before that, I was in Vermont. This week, I was supposed to be in Arizona, but flight prices are insane right now. So it's just having the luxury to like not have a boss, having the luxury to just do what you want, essentially, more or less. But you do need to have structure, you do need to have discipline, because with freedom comes more laziness. There's a lot of inaction that can happen when you don't have someone telling you when you could do this, when you could do that, or when you need to do this, or when you need to do that. So you have to hold yourself accountable. And discipline comes in different avenues. Like trading, obviously, you need to be fucking disciplined. You need to follow the plan, but you got to be disciplined every other aspect of your life, whether it's eating, training, like no fapping, no drugs, alcohol consumption. Like I'm not gonna lie, I do drink alcohol, but it's not like I'm drinking alcohol every fucking day. Mainly for like special occasions, like bachelor parties, weddings, things of that nature. But that's like one of the vices, I would say. But I try to avoid, like, nicotine's not for me. Shit gives me a headache. Weed has never been for me. Alcohol, I would say, is the little vice, the little social vice. But you just gotta be disciplined all throughout your life, for the most part, in order to, I feel like, make money online, make money on these charts. And like, the more you research the charts, the more you stare at the charts. Like, it's good in the beginning stages of learning how to trade, but it can negatively affect you. It can definitely negatively affect you, because it's like information overload. It's you're overindulging in something that you don't, like, how to do. Trading is pretty simple, like the actual trading aspect of it, but the mental is, as you know, the mental is 95% of it. 5% of it is actually knowing what you're looking at when you're looking at the screen. And this shit is just dumping right now. So I want to go long, but I don't know if it's happening tonight. Because like, my setup's not there, bro. I'm not just gonna force a setup just to force a setup that's not there. But it's cool, bro. It's cool. Like, I try not to tell my boys around me that I trade and shit, because people look at you funny. Like, they look at you like they're waiting for you to like fail almost. So I just keep this, like, I have my YouTube account, obviously, which is public, but I don't send it to my Instagram. I don't post on my Instagram and shit. Like, these are all pretty much random people. And then if my boys or whoever finds it, the channel, they find the channel. But I'm not gonna be like promoting it, because I don't really care about the actual YouTube channel. I just care about fucking, if my account is growing or not. If the views come in, Like, right now, it's like 2 viewers. But I definitely want to do this daily, for sure, because this is just cool, bro. This is cool for surely. For surely. Yeah, so I haven't taken a trade today. I have not. I'm fucking starving now. I gotta figure out what your boy is about to eat. You know, Kizzy. Yo, what the fuck? What the Yo, what the fuck, brother? I might have to freestyle to this. Those are the people know I could rap. Those are people know I could rap. Okay. This shit is just dumping. The fuck? Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. Shit. What fucking news came out? Hold up, let's see what happened. Why is it dumping like that? No, I don't know. I honestly don't know. But let's see if we get our actual decent sized green candle, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking longs, bro. I'm thinking longs. 5 minutes. What is it? Japan session? Asia session? One of the sessions. Chilling. I'm chilling. Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. How do I see the messages, bro? I'm chilling. Yeah, I'm chilling. Yeah, I'm chilling. 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 We chilling like a motherfucking villain. Yeah, we chilling. Yeah, we chilling. I'm chilling. I'm hungry. I'm trying to eat. What I'm about to eat, man, I don't know. I really don't know what I'm about to eat. I really don't know. Buy gold now, brother. How do I not see this? How do I not see that? Chilla, bella. Chilla. should buy gold now. I should buy gold now. Right now. Why should I buy gold right now? I should buy and hold. I should hodl. I should hodl. I should fly once the new hour opens. So in like 2 minutes, you're saying gold collector in 2 minutes? Honestly, it usually pushes, right? What is 8 o'clock Eastern? What is that? Japan, Tokyo open? I'm still getting used to like the hours, the sessions, right? Because I normally just trade at 9:30. But we shall see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I'm on the East Coast. Okay, so Japan in 1 minute then. You're in longs right now? Gold collector? Should I say fuck it? Full port to the account? Fuck it. Yo, this needs to stop coming up on my screen. Yeah. That's so annoying when it wicks, bro. Just to push in the direction that you wanted to go. You said 44.67. Where's that? Oh, yeah. Wake down. Let's see if it continues to the downside. Let's see. That's annoying. That's fucking annoying, bro. Watch it. Watch it push up now. Wicked you out real quick. That's so frustrating, bro. I feel your pain, bro. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 minute. That's so frustrating, bro. That's so frustrating. Where's your TP? Where are you targeting? You said 44.67. Yeah, that's right there. I want to go long, but I I'm waiting for like these two EMAs to cross. That's just how I trade personally. Because before I would take like impulse, either buys or sells. If I would assume I'm getting to a support or resistance, and then it would just continue to push. So now this is like my indicator, right? When these two cross, I take a buy, depending on which direction it's crossing. But I either take a long or take a short. Bet Tokyo highs. Okay. Let's see. I think it's just consolidating right now. Oh, you're getting your okay, you're getting a little push. See what happens. Let's see what happens. Bro, I want to take a trade, but like it's not, my setup's not there, bro. This is something I deal with, like just taking a trade just to get that dopamine, which is annoying, but that's why I can't like stare at the charts. Like when I stare at the charts like this, I'm like, yo, I need to take a trade, bro. But that's not it. Yup, patience. Name of the game. The name of the game. Yeah, that's a fact. That's a fact. Sellers are still in control. It's like no direction. It's just very choppy at the moment. Let's see which way it wants to go. Well, good luck to you. Hopefully your trade works out. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna trade today, bro. Cause this shit is not going in the direction that I want it to go. I'm long as well, but I still need to push a little bit. Honestly, next time I think I'm gonna start this at 7:30. Yep, sellers are still selling. Sellers are still selling. Price might take out New York low from Friday before we see longs. Where's 44.31? Bro, why does my Top Step continue to do this? It continues to just log me out. I'll be mid trade sometimes, and it shit just logs me out. Doesn't even make sense. Oh, 4408. Shit. Yeah, I trade completely different than you. Because I don't really pay attention to like the sessions. I usually just trade at 9:30. And then 8 p.m. And that's really it. And then I just wait for my cross. My EMA cross. I don't know, like Asia session. I've seen people. Is that the ICT concepts where there's different based on the different sessions you try to seek Asia low or New York high? That's what I'm assuming. But I don't really know the ICT concepts. I just heard of it. One of my boys was telling me about it, but it's too I like to simplify, like keep my shit as simplified as possible. A sessions indicator and trade from zone to zone. Yeah, that's how my boy trades as well. He was trying to explain it to me, but I wasn't consistent. I couldn't find consistency in that. I find consistency. These are literally the only indicators I use. The moving averages, exponential. But everyone has their strat, man. Everyone has their strat. If you're consistent making money that way, keep doing your thing, because price will take out or retest previous sessions. Okay. So why would you take sells now then if you think it's gonna retest that New York low that you mentioned of 4408 or roughly 4408? New York. I'm from Newburgh, but I live in New York. It's like a, it's like an hour north, hour and a half north of New York City. Where are you from? You're from the West Coast because you mentioned Pacific time. FOMO, yeah, yeah, because the move already happened. Yeah, that's a fact. That's a discipline. A lot of people don't have that, and it's a little frustrating, like watching this. But it's part of the game. It's part of the game. LA. I've been to LA once. It was cool, but there was a lot of homeless people. It's like 100 times worse than New York. It was a lot of just streets, just tents of homeless. And like I had to cross the street or I had to walk in the street. Because it was just so many homeless people just with couches and shit. It was different. It's different than anything I've ever seen. I don't know if that's just a LA thing or West Coast thing because it's warmer, or California thing. This would realistically be my fucking entry. If we ever get to the... Yeah, homelessness is crazy out there, bro. I was only there for like 2 days, but the weather was the same at like both days. It was like 80 and sunny and just like, it wasn't cloudy, it was just like foggy. I don't even know how to explain it, like hazy. Well, whose course did you take? So this guy, I didn't really take his course, but this guy, Ricky Gutierrez. But this was like 7 years ago. Like I've always, like I've known how to trade. I trade on my personal Webull account, but now I'm starting to use prop firms and trying to milk them. But yeah, no, this guy Ricky, because it's all about risk with him. All about risk. He doesn't trade prop firms. He just trades like his own capital, but he's very simple to understand. That's how I learned like 7 years ago. Through him, essentially. That's it. I don't follow anyone else. Sometimes I'll watch like a day in the life of a specific YouTuber. Yeah, he only trades stocks, ETFs. But it's the same concept, you know. Like it was more so just learning, the process of learning, like the mindset, and watching him live trade, how calm he was, even when it was going against him. That's how I want to be, whether I'm up or down. Very just neutral, right? Like he could be up 10K, he's neutral. Down 5K, neutral. Lambo Rolls and Raja. Yeah, I know Raja Banks. His videos are funny. He has no sense here. He trades like like what is it called? Just simple price action, like breakouts essentially. So like he'll wait for like a candle closure on like the 15, like a support. Where's there like a support or resistance, I should say. Yeah, he's pretty much just breakout trader. Raj, I like his videos. I don't know who the other guy is though. Lambo Raul. Honestly, I'm probably gonna stay until 8:30 ish. He takes impulse entry, yeah, and breakouts, yeah. Yeah, I fuck with Raja. He's like entertaining to watch too. You know, he's not just sitting there. But the problem with the style is that he'll miss the majority. Yeah. Yeah, that's annoying. FOMO. Like a big move and then he enters late. That's very annoying. I know this other guy, Daniel Holmes, that I'll just like watch here and there. I'm not really trying to like learn. I just watch him because he's entertaining. Are you using prop firms yourself? Bro. Like there's like no green candles, man. There's no green candles, man. Apex and take pro. Yeah, I was thinking about doing Apex and getting the 20-ish accounts or just 20 accounts. Because with my trade style, I don't really risk much. I risk 125 to 250 a day. Yeah. Oh, so you're making now it's pushing. Now it's pushing. Now it's pushing. I low-key like this. Like my strat works on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Made back my money. I don't like using that term like made back my money. It sounds like gambling. But I do like this. I kind of like this. I'm gonna wait till the 5 minute crosses though. I'm not gonna take a. Bro, it logged me out again. Lost. What's your goal? Your target goal? Gold collector on for like your daily. Like how much are you looking to make? Oh, so you're up like 106. Okay, okay. Price might break and retest back to the downside though. Okay, dang, okay. What's your risk? How much capital are you willing to risk? take the profit I make for okay. So I'm assuming you're profitable based off because you have a strategy, you have a structure. So I'm assuming that's been working. I need to figure out what I'm about to eat. Risk 200 to 400. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It was a 5-1. That's not bad. That's a big move, though. It's a big move to get a K profit, risking 200. $8K. Damn, I made like $7K in like 2 weeks. I probably put. Let's see. Let me. Have my like expenses for the month. So this for the year. This is for the year. 2,900 expenses, and then payouts for the year, not including the top one, but so like 70 something. Yeah, slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady. Like, this annoying, like waiting how I'm waiting right now. But before, the old me, I'm just in and out. I would be in and out of trades all the fucking time. I would take like 20 trades in a day. Now I take one, maybe. Let's see. Alright, some days you got one here. Yeah, I don't really take that much. But this is across 5 accounts. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Last week wasn't my best week. I took a payout from this account. Took out like 500 from this, or like 400, and I took a Lucid trading payout as well. I've been trading for like 4 years. I've been trading for like 7 years, but really got into it like back into it like 2021, like COVID times. But I studied finance, went to UConn, studied finance. So like I knew how it worked, but you don't really learn how to trade when you're in school. You just learn like financial statements and stuff. Where was I gonna go? Okay, I like this. I like this. I don't have like a public Instagram. It's like a private one. So I think I'm gonna make one soon. It's like more of like my private shit. At the moment, but I'm trying to figure out if I want to use that Instagram as like just make it public and then just use it. Yeah, school don't teach you anything. It just teaches you how to follow the rules. That's all it really does. It don't teach you shit. I gotta figure out what I'm about to eat. No cat. Yeah, I don't know if I want to use like a. Why not have a public IG? You're already trading live. That's a fact. But YouTube's been like my main thing. Like I haven't really been using like TikTok, fucking Twitter, Twitch, whatever. I've just been solely YouTube because I like to simplify everything, bro, and then it slowly expand. But we hit 1K subs like a week ago. So honestly, I might just make it public and start posting my trades on my story. But like, I'm not gonna my Instagram like pictures and shit. It's not gonna be like trading stuff. It's just gonna be like pictures of me doing shit, like traveling and shit. You trade live gold collector? I might have to tap in. Yeah, I should. Yeah, that's a fact. You have 2 different accounts. Like accounts you trade live on? One that's trading specific, one that's person. Yeah, so I might just do that, honestly. Like kind of how you do it. All right, I think my setup is coming into play. Hold on. Took a sell. Let's see. You think a little retest and then push back to the downside? Okay, 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 okay. Okay. What the fuck do I want to eat, bro? Break and retest with supply and demand. What is it, 8:30? Shit, I've been on this for like 2 hours. No, an hour and a half. I just wanted to see a little push up so I can take a trade. I want to take a trade while I'm live, bro. But like, I'm not gonna force it just because I'm on camera. It's like, I don't know. Alright, let me actually order food, bro. I looked at my phone like 10 times. Didn't order shit. Where'd you set your stop for that sell and your TP? I could fuck up a burger right now. Hold on. That's 4495. 44.95. Okay. I mean, that's a good stop because I feel like if it pushes above that, it's going to continue to push up. If it pushes back down, I'm probably going to end it. But if I can get a closure above, and I still got to wait for my EMAs to cross. So, but I'm hoping your trade works out. Hoping your trade works out. I think it's gonna flip. It is flipping back down as we speak, so it's looking good for y'all. It's just too choppy for the boy. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 minute. That looks good. If it breaks below 73, I think it could keep pushing down. Appreciate the sub as well. I appreciate it. Much love. I'm gonna try to do this every night. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do this at night or New York Open, because I trade both of those. But I'm trying to figure out where I'm most active. Maybe New York Open. But I appreciate the love, appreciate the sub. Stay with us on the journey. You know, I'm trying to be fully transparent. Like a lot of people think when you trade, it's just constantly action. But I'm trying to show that a majority of the time is this, what I'm doing. I'm just watching, right? Like I try to explain trading to my boys and they think I'm just in and out all day. Pause. But I appreciate the love, brother, man. Okay, Asian session. Okay. Appreciate the love. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, gold collector. When do you usually stop trading for Asia? Like what time? If it starts at, you said 5 p.m. for you. Like when do you usually, Pacific time? When do you usually stop? When I'm happy with the profit, yeah, that's true. Sometimes I'm in and out in like 5 minutes. That's the best because then I just have I don't gotta look at the charts anymore, bro. If I take one good trade, yeah, true. Too many SLs. If I take one good trade, I'm chilling, bro. I log off. I go eat some dinner. Honestly, on like these platforms, I like to set like Project X or Top Step X, where you could set limits on like this, for example. I actually didn't set it, but I typically set 250 as my stop loss. Like it locks me out for the day. So it's not on that, but yeah, as you can see, my pattern daily loss limit or personal daily loss limit. Honestly, set it. It's just some platforms, bro, allows you to set, okay, I only could trade 3 times. So I think that's what you might have to do, like set a max number of trades. For me, it's a dollar amount, but for you, it might be an actual number of trades that you need you need to set. Greed is a hell of a drug, man. Oh yeah, Tradovate. I don't like Tradovate. Like Tradovate, it looks so old, bro. But they have this, yeah. No. Tradovate looks so fucking old. I don't know. I just like how Project X looks. It looks, and I like how it shows your dollar amount, like when you set a stop loss or TP. Like with this, I'm like, I have to do math. I mean, I kind of know what it is anyway, but it just makes it so much easier with Project X. I like Trade C as well. BE, okay. You didn't think it was going to continue to push down? If we break this low. Yeah, true. Honestly, it might be time for you to just log off and wait for New York if you're going to trade New York. But I might hop off myself, bro. Like, this is not... Next time I stream, or tomorrow, I'm going to start later. Because I'm not about to be on here for like 2 hours. I might start at like 7:45, right before Japan Open. Chickened out. Yeah, sometimes that's what you gotta do, bro. It's part of the game. Like, you might miss out on some profit, but I'd rather miss out on profit than give back what I gained. That's just me, personally. This is 50. Honestly, I do like this sell low-key. Yeah, you're chilling. And those are funded accounts, or are those evaluations that you're mentioning? Honestly, I might like to sell this on the 1 minute. I might like the sells. Yeah.
Order filled.
I think I'm gonna go with this. What the fuck? What just happened? Oh, okay. I see. Why'd it close me out?
Order filled.
All right, there we go.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. So I really like the sells on the 1 minute. Yeah, I want sells here because I got my EMA cross on the 1 minute. It typically it works on the 1 and the 5. Typically, and if I'm down 150, so be it. Now it's just a waiting game. I just hope it doesn't consolidate for like 2 hours, bro. I'm only using one contract, to be honest, brother, man. I'm only trying to get $140, bro. $150, $125, like, because I'm trading across like 7 accounts. So it might seem a little passive or conservative for most people, but that's been working for me. How many contracts do you use? Look, you gotta take a piss. If this trade doesn't work out, I really do like longs on the 5 minute. If we get the EMA cross. Typically 2 to forward. Shit, I gotta take a piss. I'll be right back. I hope it hits my TP, kid. I hope. If it could break below 64. I'll be right back. Gotta take a fucking piss. What's going on? Bro, this... I hate when it trades like this. It's so fucking frustrating when it trades like that. Price just made a lower high. I hope so. Let's continue to push to the downside. But I hope it's just not choppy. That's good enough. It's close enough. I'm gonna move this so it's like even. There we go. Now it's just a waiting game once we enter the trade. All right. So looking like on the 5 minute. Bro, I am freezing. Where's your TP at? Let's go. I need like a hoodie or something, bro. Out the low. Yeah, Tradovit looks so old, bro. It's hot as hell in LA. I wish it was hot here. What is the temperature? I mean, right now it's 45. It's not too crazy. But pushing 30s. 30s hurting. And it's especially cold just in this basement. Like in my basement. It's like brick in my basement right now. And I'm drinking cold water. Ice cold water. I need food, bro. Yeah. What is it, like 80s or 70s in LA? Yeah, so I work at a winery as well, like on the weekends. But I tore a tendon in my knee, my patellar tendon. So I've been focusing more on like trading. I mean, I've been trading the same amount, but um, tradings has been my main source of income at the moment because I can't work at the restaurant or at the winery. But I should be back like next month. I had surgery like 4 months ago, 3 months ago, in December. So it gave me more time to focus. Do I ever stack? Like enter another position in the same direction when I'm in drawdown? Bro, I used to do that a lot, and then I would end up losing way more than I want. But then you have sometimes You have some days where it works out for you, but I literally just leave my position. I literally leave it. Sometimes I close my position early or to BE if I feel like it's not going to play out in the direction I think it is. But like right now, I'm chilling. So like I have my TP at 140, but if it hits like 110, like if I'm up like $100 something, I'll close up because it's a $700 day across all my accounts. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, normally I probably would enter another position, or I used to, based on my old habits, but I would enter another position when I would get close to my stop loss. Yeah, you gotta make sure it's the same direction. How many accounts do you trade across? Like how many accounts in total? Oh shit, what up, Javon? How you living, bro? I just seen this. I'm getting used to this chat stuff. This streaming stuff. Cause I have it on like 2 different ones. This is gold though. This is gold. 8 accounts, okay. You're chilling, bro. You're chilling, gold collector. 8 accounts. You're vibing, bro. Yeah, I know, Javon, bro. The previous week for me, super choppy. I mean, this month's been a good month for me, but last week was just tragic. Okay, gold collector, you closed up. You closed up shop. Take your profit and walk away. Yeah, I know. I feel you. After the first payout, it gets a little tough. But then you just find a rhythm, to be honest. I trade very small. That's what helps me. As you could see, like I risk 150 to make 150. And like if I lose the trade, I'm more than likely done. I'm not really aggressive, bro. Okay, gold collector, I see you, bro. Yeah, take your profit and run with it, man. You said 5 funded Apex accounts and 2 evals and 1 TP, or take profit trader and eval. Honestly, that's a good little mix. Having like 5 funded. I have 6 Apex accounts close to being blown out, which I'll put FNP. I mean, yeah, if it's close to being blown, at that point, might as well, I guess. Javon, man, you gotta just stay disciplined to the strat, bro. Trade small. Trade small, bro. I've taken this past month, I've taken like 6,800 by trading so fucking small. And I just started trading prop firms like October. I don't know what going on here though. Yeah, swing trading is the way. I mean, but you can't swing trade with these type of accounts with like the take profit or with like these futures accounts. You can't really swing trade. I prefer to swing trade. I swing trade like my actual like stock accounts. Were you breaking down your analysis? Yeah, kind of. On the 1 minute, I like this on the 1 minute. This EMA cross, I entered a little late. I prefer on the 5 minute the EMA cross. I wanted to go long. Preferably, I would like to go long once these two EMAs cross. But we're just very sell heavy that on the 1 minute, my strategy can work both ways. Honestly, I might set it at BE because like I just don't know, bro. I think it's gonna be a little reversal, but we'll see. Gold collector. Wow, you just started trading prop firms and you're already funded. Yeah, bro. Just started trading prop firms. Like I said, I've known how to trade, but I've never traded prop firms because I always thought like all those websites and shit were like a scam essentially. So I didn't really fuck with them. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of volume here at 9 o'clock. It might hit my SL. If so, it is what it is, brother man. It is what it is. I literally said I was gonna set it to B, but it is what it is. It's part of the game. China open. That's why. Okay. So I think this is gonna hit my stop. Yeah, hopefully this week is a turnaround, brother. Hopefully, brother. Hopefully this week's a turnaround, yeah. It's been tough, bro. It's been tough. This trading shit. You just gotta be calm, bro. Like, I try not to get too, like, hyped. Like, whether it's a win, too down if it's a loss. Just neutral, bro. Just neutral as fuck. Like, it's hard, though. It's definitely hard. But yeah, it's gonna... If it does hit my SL, I probably will end and probably get some grub. Because your boy is hungry. But I'll definitely be back tomorrow, though. Yeah, it's definitely gonna break through. I'm expecting it to hit my stop loss.
You probably think Squarespace is just for websites, but you can also get a domain from Squarespace.
Price will make it one. I've been unemployed for 8 months now. Low key, no job is calling back. Bro, the job market is trash, bro. I wouldn't get any interviews. I was applying on LinkedIn, applying on Indeed. I was applying a lot of remote jobs because I tore a tendon in my knee, so I couldn't like walk for a couple months. But like the job market is trash, so kind of just been trading, bro. It's like a blessing in disguise because I became profitable, or I've been profitable, just not with prop firms because I've never traded prop firms until October. So I've just became profitable like December. So like that injury was like just a blessing in disguise, in my eyes, because November, yeah, it's crazy, bro. Job market is insane. Yeah, my other boy got laid off too. Been using EDD to support my trading career. It's tough in these streets, bro. I think it's gonna hit my stop, personally.
Order filled.
Order filled.
There you have it. I mean, I would have liked, start off with a bang with a Green Day, but it's part of the game. It's part of the game we play. I don't know what EDD is either. I thought that meant unemployment or something. So I possibly may take one more trade longs once this crosses, but we'll see. Not yet though. And I mark everything down. What was it? Minus 148. Short. What was the date? 3/29. 26. 9:05 p.m. Gold. It's on Employment Development Department. Oh, so okay, that makes sense. Like unemployment. Okay. But appreciate the love. I'll be back tomorrow. Wanted to start off with a Green Day, but you know what it is. I may take one more trade, but we shall see. Appreciate the love, Gold Collector. Appreciate the love, Javon. I shall be back mañana. I'll probably start it later though, because I was on for 2 hours. That's a long minute. But much love, bro. Much love. I gotta figure out how to end this.